Hey guys, this is Amara Badani from Amara's Adventures, and today I'm going to be showing you how to digital plan and how to get into digital planning as a first timer probably getting into digital planning, and for the people who have been doing digital planning, a few tips and tricks for them too. So number one, what I use. Okay, I use an iPad Pro M2, which I love this baby, and the app I use is called Colanote. And I love Colanote. I think personally my favorite app ever. And if you really want a good app, Colanote is it. Look how aesthetic this is, guys. Like, come on, it's amazing. But really, you guys, this Colanote is really good. Colanote, if you're watching this, please sponsor me, please. Let's do a partnership together, please. I would love to. But yeah, Colanote is amazing. They have not sponsored me, by the way. I just genuinely love them. And in Colanote, I'm going to show you guys what planner I use. So I'm going to be opening the planner. Okay. So go in here, go into your home. It says loading note, then it opens up your note, and that's your journaling space. So it starts off, I'm just going to show you a plain journaling space. This is just one type of planner I use. This is by Happy Downloads, by the way, you guys. But wait, don't go and run over to Happy Downloads, because I'm going to be hopefully launching my own digital planning business in the next probably 3 months. I'm going to launch it maybe in the next month or so. But like proper item sales, everything will be starting in around a month and a half, 3 months. So I really want you guys to show you guys. Right now I'm using a Happy Downloads planner, but I have 2025 planners ready to go. So I'm probably going to launch those planners in 2025 because I don't have 2024 planners right now that I've made, but I've made 2025. So this is how the planner goes. I'm just going to give you a close-up and come in. Come on, let's come in. Grab yourself a coffee and let's sit down and let's chat about digital planning. First, we have our journaling space, which is one of my favorite spaces in the Colanote app or in this planner exactly. Then you have your top priorities, which I use for when we have like exams coming or I need to study for something. Then we have our to-do, which is really important. Now what else do we have? Let's keep watching. After the to-do, we have that empty spaces, and then we have also the note space, which is one of my favorite places. I basically just put a ton of photos over there of my day, or if anything interesting happened, or if I went out with my friends. So then you have again your note space again. I'm saying it. Then let's see what else we have in store. You have a laser. Then this is the monthly page. It is really nice. Then you have your different options, like you have your pen. Some options are like you have the dotted pen. I'm selecting right now. Oh, that's a really small dot though. Let's make that bigger. Yeah, 6 should be good. Let's put that. Okay, that looks so like you have your dotted pen. You have your cover up pen, which when you put over something and then you press on it, you can see it, but when you don't, it gets covered up, which I think is really fun for studying. Then you have your highlighters. And what I love about highlighters is when you layer them, it actually turns into such a pretty color. You can keep on layering it. It's like actual real highlighters. Then you have different pens. So I have the 3mm pen, I have the 1mm pen, and then I have the 2mm calligraphy pen, which actually looks really good, in my opinion. Like, look at that. That's so pretty. Like, you can see that like the downstrokes are thicker, like real life calligraphy, which I think is really neat. The different options are like highlighter, eraser. In eraser, you have the choice to erase something partially or fully. So as I am doing right now is partially. Before I was doing fully. You also have the lasso tool where you can move around stuff as you wish. You have the text tool where you can write things. So example, I'm just gonna write something right there, like hello, what's up? So it's really good. The text tool in Cola Note, in my opinion, is one of the best. Then you have stickers. I have uploaded a lot of stickers, by the way. You guys go to my shop so you can buy some of my stickers when it launches, please. Then you have manager stickers. You also have an option which is really cool in my opinion, which is creating stickers. These are AI generated stickers which I think are super cool. I love that little lemon one down there. That one has to be my favorite. Then let's continue. Then you have your recording option. By the way, the recording option in Cola Note has been there forever. It just started on GoodNotes and Notability. So just remember that. Cola Note is amazing, you guys. You have a translate tool. You have a finger writing tool, which I dislike a lot. I don't like the finger writing tool. I find it very unnecessary, but it's there. I'm writing hello with it. And then you have different options like pictures to upload a image from the gallery. Then you have shapes, the laser option. As you can see, I'm drawing a little triangle right there. You have your laser option that I was using a lot to show you about the monthly and weekly spreads. Then you have the fill tool. You also have the sticker tools. Last but not least, you have your settings. And now I'm just going to erase everything. And I'm going to delete the text tool, text box. As you guys saw, Cola Note is one of the best apps ever for planning in my opinion. So please like, follow, subscribe, and let me keep on giving you guys videos on planning. If you guys like this video, do like it please, and please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.